Hey and welcome to another video, and today, as you can tell, we is outside. By the way, just to show y'all that I really am outside. Watch. See, look at the creek. Yeah, really outside. Really at my house, and really on a tree. This tree hadn't fallen. By the way, here's a fun fact. Trees grow toward the water, and as you can tell, this tree literally did that. But this tree's been here for years. I don't feel like it's ever gonna fall. I've just been sitting here. I've been sitting here with my dog, but for Snapchat, I made him get off. But guess what? I didn't post that Snapchat. But whatever, I'm so close. Camera? Dang it, it's not zoomed out. It's not zoomed in, so. Okay, I'm gonna sit this way because it's easier to sit this way. Hold on. Okay, so I am here sitting here. Bruce? Is that you? Is that you, Brucey? Baba. I don't think that's Bruce. Bruce, come here, Baba. Actually, have trees. Some people don't believe me when I say I'm somewhere, but I can't edit. It's like I'm not in a round one. I could go hop down into the water and pick up the rocks that I see. So, yeah, but we are going. Oh my god. Somebody's standing there with a flashlight. Hello? Hello? Yeah, this is my favorite spot to hang out in this tree. I'm about to get up and go down, and we can have a little nature tour. Nature tour. It's not summer. Some people are like, why are y'all outside? Okay, if I ever post videos and I tell y'all the date, I'm not lying about the date. You know, sometimes we are off of school. It is Tuesday, February 26th, and here in some shorts and short sleeves, we're about to take a little ride. Ready to come with us? Okay, come on. We're going to start walking. You can walk beside me. Ask me any questions. Okay, now, like, actually starting to run. I'm actually starting to run. There it is. This is my good luck key. See? My good luck key. Ha! The smell of nature. Now it smells like dead grass. Oh, God. I don't think I have any Wi-Fi here. I'm gonna go back to the tree. Tree. Jerry doody. This is my house. Right there. The one I'm pointing at. I know who lives there. By the way, this is our field. My field. Mine. I live here. I don't live with anybody else in that house. Just me. Just kidding. What's AC lock? Do I want it? I don't know one by one. I'm messing with the light. Now, I'm getting back up Honest the tree. That was our little adventure for today. I would go in between there. I don't feel like it. Okay, so we're gonna go on more adventures around my house. You might see a bunch of people, a lot of kids like to hang out at my house. They're just my friends that like to come over. Like, I live alone. Like, literally don't have any parents that live here. They don't live here. Yes, I have already bought my own house. I'm rich off of YouTube. By the way, anybody who don't like me, go kill yourself. Just kidding. Don't actually kill yourself because it's sad. And yeah, that's it. And you will never come back to this earth how much you love it. I know how much you love this earth, but you'll never come back to it. So, there's my creek. It's went up 18 feet. Stay away from snakes. It's went up 18 feet. So I am going to show y'all how much it has been up and more adventures around my house. Yeah. My neighbors have like 15 dogs. I have 2. I had 2 Great Danes. I had 3 Great Danes. Then I had 8 puppies. And then, yeah. So, how many dogs you got? Roar! Here are all of our dead dogs that are buried. They're buried here. See that cross? If you see that cross, tell me if you see it. If you don't, then it's fine. But if you did see it, then yeah, it was my dog Ace. He was a pit bull. He died when he was 3 years old, and he died of worms because nobody took him to the vet. But by the way, that nobody, not me, my parents. This all right here, if you can see my finger, all right here, that is all. See this? That, all 18 feet, right down there. That is 20. Yes. Oh no. Oh no! Oh no, I got rid of my little beach. Sorry, I'm so close. I'm just kidding, I don't like you. No. No, no, no! Go away. Stop it. You wanna go on an adventure? Bruce! Look who's up! By the way, it's not late at night. You might think so, but it's not late at night. It is early in the morning. It's early in the morning. But I'm about to have to end the video here because brothers. So, peace out. Like, subscribe, comment down below, and comment down below what type of nature you like best.